All right, so when you're trying to protect something that you don't want to get burnt, you're just trying to put a barrier, you know, a cold barrier between where it's going to travel down the copper. So always make it nice and tight on there. You know, that heat will not travel past here. You know, some guys like to use that paste stuff or whatever. I don't like it. Wet rag's fine. Just I don't want my table burnt. Nice and delicate, Matt. Nice and smooth. Nice and smooth. Yeah, don't add too much material. Don't keep your flame in one spot too long. No, no, no. That's why having your thing 90 degrees. I would have started at the bottom. Start where you can't see first. Alright, let's see what the finished product looks like. I'm going to step away here.